It's probably gonna be by the trash can. I'm gonna go this way so he attacks me.
I'm not gonna attack. Oh god. It's the crazy thing.
That's hell. See him?
Yes.
Ow, little bastard made me hurt my toe. Putting garbage up.
I'm staying here, man. Oh fuck.
Well, give me a warning.
I doubt he will. Because he's all freaked out by me.
Like, you want to stand back so he'll attack you? You're out here. At least you see him. You see this bud. Birdie, 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 birdie.
Oh
Now I
shit.
want him to attack you.
Yeah, no, they're just making it all up.
Bullshit.
That bird never
Why is he on
attacked.
your car?
I don't know, because he likes
Why?
cars.
He's not gonna run away from me. He's gonna attack me.
Nah, because now there's two of us, so he's all freaked out. He's like, I never attacked you, you evil man. You're lying about me. That's an angry little bird. Oh shit.